Our life is full of uncertainties. We don't know what will happen to us on a day after tomorrow, or today, or after 1 hour. Although we are very much concerned about our life and our families and what will happen to us, and we should not forget at the same time that our family will not go any kind of financial distress or loss even something happened to us. Today on this video, I'm going to share you one of the beautiful scheme and one of the beautiful insurance policy that is launched by the Indian government in the year of 2015. And this insurance policy will definitely help you to protect your life against any kind of natural loss. So when I'm thinking about natural loss, yes, it is natural loss as well. It's not something artificial. Death due to the natural calamities, death due to the murder, death due to the something happened to you by the any other course of action. It is not included any kind of suicide. That's called a natural calamities. Yes, so today on this video I'm going to share you the scheme that is launched by the Indian government in the year of 2015 in order to motive towards there are no frill account, in a motive towards that to cover the insurance against their no frill account and cover the insurance towards the protector of their policy holder and the insured person and have the benefit their life against this natural threat. So if you want to take the benefit of it, if you have a question about what are the things that is covered under the natural policy, what are this natural calamities or this policy, and how can you get benefited under this it, and what are the action you can have to take in case you're somebody or something can happen to your to somebody's on your family, then definitely this video is all for you. So I just want to request you to stay till the end. So today on this video I'm going to tell you one of the important scheme by the Indian government, that is none other than PMJJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana or scheme. This was launched by in the year of 2015 by our late finance minister Arun Jaitley in such a way that in order to motive that 20% of the Indian population doesn't have an insurance. Because you always think that when you're thinking about an insurance, the one thing always come in mind, though our life is full of uncertainties, but the other side of a coin, we have to pay the premium which somehow the costly. So the very lower class of the people may not afford to pay the policy on this for their protection of their life. But this video is always providing you the better opinions. I always providing you the better benefit on these videos. Definitely this scheme is ever helpful for the poor and the urban poor and the people who are the section of benefit, and also the people who do not take any actions against their life to get any kind of policy of the government. So this policy is all about the policy which is called the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima policy, and this policy is helpful for you and your family in case any kind of natural death happen to you. Okay, so that's what this policy is benefited, and the main motto I always tell this is that policy is that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. It means that under this Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana there's a lot of scheme and the no frill account has been created. So this policy is under this Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. That's why the people who are taking the policy, their no frill account will be benefited, and they have to deposit something in their no frill account in provide the take the policy and get the benefit out of it. So what exactly the main thing about the policy and who can a person who are getting the benefited? To start with the policy with the age. The age will be 18 to 50 years of the age. It means that the person minimum age should be 18 years and the maximum age should be 50 years. But the policy is only payable, you can pay the policy or you can pay the premium up to 50 years or including 50 years, but you can take a benefit up to 55 years. If you would take a policy for 50 years, but you can take a policy benefit up to 55 years. Okay, in case something happened to you. But the one thing is about that whenever you are taking a policy, you should remember that the policy can give you a cover of 2 lakhs in case of your death, and other than this your death then nothing will be paid from by the insurance company. Okay, so today on the company only pay in case of death, and that will be pay you in case you have registered your nominee. When you think about nominee, it can be your, if you are married, if it can be your wife, if you are unmarried, it can be your parents. If you have a child, if you are married to a child, definitely you can take them as a nominee. It's all depend upon you. So what is the minimum what is the premium that you have to pay? Or everybody have a question. The premium have to pay, that is 330 rupees per annum. It doesn't think that it is a very reasonable policy. Yes, you think that right. 330 rupees per annum, it means that 27.5 rupees per month. Okay, but you have to pay through your policy annually only, and the policy will be start from the 1st June to 31st May. Okay, it means that the policy period will be started, and this is the period where you can apply for this and you can get the benefit out of it. It means that we are in the search period and you can apply this and get the benefit of it. And you can apply this policy any kind of bank account, whoever the bank account you have. The main motive is all about the financial inclusion. Whoever have taken a no-frill account or basic deposit with later it's converted, their account should be connected with this policy. At least they can keep some money in their account, and this money will be useful for that. And when we are worried about our account, we definitely worry that every year we have to pay and we have to think, but you don't have to wait to worry about it. You just put a standing instruction and the amount will be auto debited from your account in every year on the 31st June itself. Okay, 34th on the year of the, I mean on the year of the next year on the period of 31st May. It means that any number of day you have started your policy. If today you have started, the next year on the same day your amount will be debited. I mean it is auto debited from your account without any kind of hassles. So you have to think about that you don't have to worry about to pay the amount in a yearly from your account manually. Okay, so that is very much important. So the main aim of the policy about that, as you already that if you are taking a policy, you have to remember that you are the policy holder or the insured. If you somebody has taken your policy, the insurance company, they are called the insurer. Okay, the insurance company is the insurer. You are the insured because your life were again risk under the policy, right? And you are also a policy holder. You have to remember that. So what exactly the thing that you have to, so government has linked this policy to the scheme, and that I already told that because of the 20% of the population has not taken, that is the main motive that everybody should be taken this policy and get the benefit of it. Okay, so the amount you can get not maximum, it's a 2 lakh only in case of death. In case something happened to you due to natural calamities, you will be secured and your families at least would not have it financially lost or you something about financially distressed. Okay, so that is why the policy is all for you, and it would provide the benefit to your families or your son or your wife or somebody you have married in case something happened to you. But I don't want you that something happened to him, but absolutely we don't know, is the uncertainty happen our lifetime. So that is what. So let's think about the policy. What about in case something happened to you? What is the actions that your family member have to take against your account? Okay, so let's think about if you are from the point of view of a policy. All right, so where the policy, yes, so I have in the page of the policy holder. So definitely you have to enroll for the policy, you have to do a claim settlement. What are the steps taken by the nominee? So if you are thinking about somebody as a nominee, so definitely mention your nominee, some people who can take the settlement after your death or something happens to you. So nominee applies to the bank where the members will having a saving bank account through which he or she was to cover under the PMJGY along with the death certificate of the member. Okay, so nominee to collect the claim form, discharge received from the bank or any other designated source like life insurance company branches, hospitals, insurance agent, including the designated website. So if you are taking the policy, the one thing I just want to take, don't directly go to the websites, don't directly open the policy in your name. Go to your nearest branch and nearest bank branch and approach them. If you have a bank accounts, definitely you have a bank account, otherwise it's very difficult for you. At the same time, if you have any LIC agent, very if you've known very agent known to you, definitely you can approach them and take this policy, right? So at the same time, nominee to submit duly completed claim form, discharge receipt, death certificate along with the photocopy of cancelled check of the nominee's bank account, or the bank account details in the bank wherein the member was having a saving bank account through he has was undercover the PMJGBY. So you have to give all the documents. The documents is claim form, duly complete, death certificate, discharge receipt, photocopy of cancelled check of the nominee. Okay. So at the same time, step taken by the bank itself upon the receipt of the death intimation, the bank should check the whether that cover shared by the nominee was a forced to death of his death, or the premium shared under the annual renewal date, or the prior to member death was deducted or remitted. And so bank has to scrutinize all those things, then he has taken the action to pay to the coverage, life insurance coverage. Okay, whether the death happening due to the natural calamity or something about forcefully. So forcefully is not be employed, but something about natural calamity, it will definitely come under this policy. Okay, so these are the form that bank has to submit the following document. Bank to submit the following document to designated office, the insurance company: death certificate, claim form, discharge receipt, photocopy, the cancel check of the nominees. Okay, so maximum time for the bank for a duly completed claim form to the insurance company is 30 days from the submission of the claim to it. If you have submitted your claim on the after 30 days, the bank, and a maximum 30 days, bank can submit the claim to the insurance company, and insurance company will take the actions and provide the benefit to you. Step taken by the designated office, the insurance company: verify the claim on the form and complete all the relevant documents have been attached. If the claim is the admissible, and the designated office of the insurer shall check whether the member's coverage in the force and no death claim settlement has been affected in the member through the other account. In case any claim has been settled, then the nominee shall be intimated accordingly with the copy marked in the bank. It means that the insurer will check the member's coverage in the force to death, as I already told you, and no claim settlement has been affected with the members through any other account. So if you want to take this policy, definitely you have to remember that you should have a one account for the policy. If you have any number of bank, only one account in one bank, no other bank you should not have a policy, and that's the minimum thing requirement. You have a one policy in your name, no other policy in your name, no other same policy in other bank account. Okay, so that is the one thing you have to remember. In case of coverage was forced, no claim has been settled to the said member, payment shall be released to the nominee bank account, and communication shall be sent to the nominee with copy marked in the bank. Okay, so no claim has been settled for the said member, payment shall be released to the nominee bank account, and a communication shall be sent to the nominee. So you will get a message, you will get a mail, whatever the things you want to remember, the company, you get a call, whatever the things, but amount would be said by the insurance company with the due consign of yours. Okay, maximum time limit for the insurance company to approve the claim and disburse the money is 30 days from the receipt of the claim. So your amount deposits in the bank, 30 days is 30 days claim, and from that 30 days claim by the insurance company, almost 60 days it will be taking after something death of your near person. Okay, so in case with the claim form directly submitted the office of the insurance claimant, the insurance office would forward the same to the concerned bank of the deceased account holder immediately to get the necessary verifications done from the bank account. The concerned bank branch will forward the claim to the designated officer insurance company to proceed. So bank has to take all the formalities to take the necessary, the officer has to come to your place and verify all the things. So don't think that something will not be visible, everything will be scrutinized, everything will be verified, then the insurance will pay the 2 lakhs amount against your life risk in case of your death. Okay, so that is very much important. So this all the things whatever discussed here, I will give in link in the bank, and apart from that I will tell what are the discuss I have itself. So I will definitely give mine in the inbox or in the description box, so you can take a benefit of it. Just open the links and get the benefit out of it if you want to read twice or thrice if you don't want to know more about it. Okay, so this is all about PMJJBY or the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima scheme, and hope you understand something of it. If you are not done right now, go and do it, because as you know the situations they're happening, the earthquake happening 18 are recorded in the Delhi, right? If you see that earthquake happening in Delhi recorded 18 almost 18 times. Okay, so natural calamities, we don't know, it's something with not our hand and something with not our hand, but still we have to against, we have to take an account, actions and protect our life by taking insurance coverage against the life threat policy, against the natural calamities and life threats. Okay, so this is all about my video. Hope you understand something. If you have any concern, any something, any idea about this process, write it down on my inbox or comment. I will definitely help you. If you have any suggestion to improve my thought, my process, you can write it down in my inbox. That will help me to grow in my life. Okay, and you provide value to you. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day.